I'm Krishna Gade. I'm the founder CEO of Fiddler AI. We are an AI observability startup in the Bay Area. Our mission at Fiddler is to build trust into AI.
Great. And that's a difficult problem right now, right? Trust, especially in this world we're in where AI is moving so quickly. How do you speak to employees and customers about battling that, background of, I suppose, misinformation and different things that AI can potentially solve or potentially cause?
Absolutely. I've been working on AI machine learning for the past 20 years in many like social media companies. One of the big problems with AI is it's unlike traditional software. It's a black box for humans. In the traditional software, if you want to understand how it works, you can read up the code and really understand how it works. But AI systems are, detecting patterns from data and encoding in structures that humans cannot really understand. And this lack of transparency is a big hindrance in building trust into AI. So if an AI system is generating some content or making some predictions, the key question is, how is it doing it? Why is it doing it? Is it actually accurate? Is it biased? Is it safe for me to use? These are all the questions that we have to put AI into practice. And that's what we focus on at Fiddler. We try to set up those guardrails so that you get those answers for your questions. So you can understand how AI is performing, why is it predicting what it is doing. You can assess for bias in those AI systems. You can set up guardrails around safety and toxicity of AI.
And so hugely important. And I read that you said that, challenges in AI, it's both the product, a policy, and a community problem. So who do you think owns AI within any enterprise? And how do you think that discussion and governance should evolve?
Absolutely. I mean, now with the launch of generative AI and so it's become a board level discussion, right? So boards are getting involved in enterprises, and talking to C suites around how they're going about AI. And typically what we have seen is like the data organizations, like the chief data officer, chief analytics officer, those are being asked to set up AI as a practice within the organization. Some companies are setting up center of excellences, but in our opinion, it's actually a company wide problem, right? It touches like not just the implementers like the data and AI people, but also the compliance folks that are there to make sure that it is, ethical issues are covered within AI, and the business folks that are ultimately going to be the beneficiaries of AI systems. How is it working? And they have questions around, you know, how is this AI going to transform my business, whether it's a marketing use case or a customer support use case or a core business use case. And so it's, I think for companies to implement what we call responsible AI, all of these folks need to be brought to the table. And so there is transparency and visibility into how these AI products are being built so that, everyone can make the right decisions.